That's a direct hit. Can we have a huge round of applause for our air warriors? हमारा अगला लक्ष्य दुश्मन का फ्यूल डंप. Formation of 2 Mirages. Call sign तलवार. They'll be coming from your right to target a fuel dump, which is located to your left at the distance of 2 kilometers. Direct hit. Number 2 bombs gone. And another direct hit. Target is totally destroyed. Indian Air Force further pushes the throttle of operations. We will now strike a vital bridge deep inside enemy territory. This task is now assigned to our mighty Su-30 MKIs. Call sign Firangi. Su-30s will be coming from your left and target the bridge, which is located to your 1 o'clock at a distance of 3 kilometers. Firangi was a long sword, primarily regarded as cavalry weapon, closely associated with the Maratha. Number 1 flaring. And bombs gone. Number 2 bombs gone. And that's a good hit.
शक्ति का संधान मैं, साहस का विधान हूँ, मुदगर का हूँ वार मैं, दुष्टों का निदान हूं. अब आपके दाहिनी ओर से आ रही है 2 Mi-17 1D की फॉर्मेशन. कॉल साइन मुदगर. ये फॉर्मेशन दुश्मन के ऑपरेशन रूम, जो युद्ध संचालन का एक प्रमुख केंद्र है, को 80 mm रॉकेट की बौछार से ध्वस्त करेगी. Operation room is simulated in front of you at 2 kilometers.
अपने नेत्रों को आकाश में दाहिनी ओर केंद्रित करें. हमारे हेलीकॉप्टर मुख्य प्रदर्शन स्थल के ऊपर पहुंचने से पूर्व ही फायर करेंगे. And it's gone.
Target decimated. तालियों की गर्जना से अभिनंदन कीजिए हमारी मुदगर फॉर्मेशन का.
We can now see Mudgar exiting the arena after destroying the target.
मातृभूमि का रक्षक मैं, महाकाल का मैं अंश हूं, शत्रु समूल नष्ट हो, मैं पूर्ण विध्वंस हूं, मैं पूर्ण विध्वंस हूं. Be ready for fire and fury as Apache, swift, lethal and unstoppable, India's predator in the skies, approach the battlefield from your right. Call sign Mopla.
Formation of two Apache, a twin-engine multi-role attack helicopter equipped with Hellfire missile will be targeting enemy's armored tanks in front of you at 2 kilometers. हमारा अगला जंगी विमान ऑपरेशन सफेद सागर के पहले हवाई चरण में एक अहम भूमिका निभा चुका है. माफी चाहते हैं. Apache provides the Indian Air Force missiles on and wait for the impact.
डायरेक्ट हिट. इसी के साथ दुश्मन के टैंक्स के काफिले को नष्ट कर दिया गया है. आपकी तालियों की गूंज हमारे हवाई जहाजों के कॉकपिट तक पहुंचनी चाहिए.
You can now see Mobla formation exiting the arena from your right.
संयम को दुर्बलता समझ कर रहा तू घात है. यहाँ शौर्य है भुजाओं में, धमनियों में बह रहा प्रताप है. सिंह तुम मुठो लड़ो, कर तेग का वार तू, शत्रु खंड खंड हो, ऐसा कर प्रहार तू. शत्रु खंड खंड हो, ऐसा कर प्रहार तू. We have few more enemy tanks which are providing facile resistance. So our next mission is destruction of these tanks. The mission has been assigned to Mi-17V5, flying in from your right. Call sign Teg, and it fires. And spike missiles fire. इसी के साथ तेग ने टारगेट को विनष्ट कर दिया है. अपनी तालियों से तेग का अभिवादन कीजिए.
Now the Indian Air Force will target the communication node of the enemy. That attack has an immediate crippling effect. Post that, enemy can be rendered isolated, confused and unable to coordinate.
To achieve this, two Su-30 MKIs are being tasked. Call sign Shul. They'll be entering the battlefield from your left.
They will fire a barrage of 100 kg bombs on enemy communication node located to your left 11 o'clock 3 kilometers.
Look to your left as the Su-30 MKIs roar into the battle space.
A total of 44 bombs away.
भयंकर दृश्य, शत्रु का संचार नोड पूरी तरह निष्क्रिय कर दिया गया है।
When the job is to induct artillery by the most rapid means into the battle, there is nothing better than the Chinook. Now look to your right, the Herculean task of underslung operation by 2 Chinook helicopter call sign Vijay. They are carrying 2 M777 ultralight howitzer of the Indian Army, ready for the immediate induction into the battle.
पंख उनकी जरूरत नहीं, वो लोग जज्बों से हवाओं में हैं। इश्क किया है देश की मिट्टी से, जिंदगी सुपुर्द देश की वफाओं में है। कोई जमी की पहरेदारी में जुटा है, कोई संभाले हमारा आसमान। सबका मकसद सिर्फ एक है, हर हाल में सलामत रहे हिंदुस्तान।
What you just saw was Vijay formation splitting into 2 different directions. They will be carrying out parallel operation, dropping 2 M777 guns at 2 different operational locations.
Now approaching from your right, 2 o'clock, E-17 upgrade helicopter, call sign Ankush. The Me-17 upgrade helicopter moving into the battlefield for winch operation.
To hover is an art and these pilots are artists. आप देख पा रहे हैं कैसे हमारे सामने हमारे हेलीकॉप्टर्स एक जगह पर पोजीशन मेंटेन कर रहे हैं।
The Chinooks are lowering the guns, showcasing seamless coordination between the air and land forces, a true demonstration of joint combat power.
I would like to inform the audience that Captain of Me-17 upgrade helicopter is getting constant input from the flight gunner to maintain accurate position, who is working in coordination with Garud on the ground.
During rescue operations such as this, the helicopter carries Garuds to the affected location, who get down and help the survivor to wear harness. They also provide ground signals to helicopter to start winching up. Since it is a peacetime operation, hence for safety reasons, today instead of a survivor, a dummy will be used.
Indian Army soldiers are now securing M777 guns. These guns are rapidly deployed and will soon deliver firepower onto enemy position in the next phase of operation. After this, you can see the Chinooks exiting the area.
अब मी-17 अपग्रेड हेलीकॉप्टर की तरफ अपने निगाहें करें। देखिए कैसे घायल सैनिक को सावधानी से धीरे धीरे सुरक्षित उठाया जा रहा है। For safety reasons, a dummy is being used today instead of a survivor. आपदा की घड़ी में जब हर रास्ता बंद हो जाता है, तब भारतीय वायुसेना के हेलीकॉप्टर आसमान से उम्मीद बनकर उतरते हैं। तेज हवाओं, खराब मौसम और कठिन परिस्थितियों की परवाह किए बिना वायुसेना के साहसी पायलट और कर्मी अपनी जान जोखिम में डालकर फंसे हुए लोगों तक पहुंचते हैं।
Please lift towards your right high for the approaching like a divine sword of Lord Vishnu. C-130 aircraft call sign Nandak.
अपने घायल सैनिकों को सुरक्षित निकालने के बाद अब हम देखेंगे कि भारतीय वायुसेना सबसे कठिन परिस्थितियों में भी जमीनी सेनाओं को निरंतर सहयोग और समर्थन देने में कितनी सक्षम है।
Today's mission shall be making use of GPADS, that is GPS-aided precision air delivery system, which ensures uninterrupted sustainment of troops deployed in remote and high altitude areas, where conventional landings are impractical, thereby preserving operational tempo.
अब आप कैमरा ना पीछे कर दीजिएगा।
Please shift your eyes above the advanced landing ground, where the supplies dropped by C-130J are descending towards the predefined coordinates via the GPADS. While these operations have not ended yet, we have been tasked to take out an ammunition dump with laser-guided bomb. Hence it's time for the Jaguar. Call sign Kukri.
The Jaguar will be coming from the right. Target at 1 o'clock, 3 kilometer ammunition dump. The laser-guided bomb corrects its flight path after being dropped from the aircraft through constant in-flight guidance. It homes onto laser-illuminated target and hits with pinpoint accuracy. Bomb has been released.
Keep looking at the target to your right, 1 o'clock, approximately 3 kilometers. The ammunition dump. और एक अचूक निशाना, जैगुआर ने अपने लक्ष्य को नेस्तनाबूद कर दिया है।
Also notice the two vehicles coming from your left and right, occupied by Garud, who will be securing the area as well as the supplies. These supplies are crucial for the support of the troops on the ground and provide a pivotal role in sustaining ops on the ground in a hostile environment.
What you are witnessing today is a defining example of integrated air-ground operations.